Hi friends, welcome to our new episode of Employment News for BE BTech Mechanical Engineers, 8th February 2021. In this video, you can watch job opportunities in government sector, private sector and opportunities in apprenticeship training. From our channel Mech Engineering World, every Monday we will upload new employment opportunities for mechanical engineers. This week, in this video, we are included 7 government jobs, 6 private jobs and 2 apprenticeship training. Most of the opportunities are for freshers, so please watch the video till the end. In this first government jobs. In government job, first job is officers in grade B DR General at Reserve Bank of India RBI. RBI is India's central bank responsible for the issue and supply of the Indian rupee and the regulation of the Indian banking system. It also manages the country's main payment system and works to promote its economic development. RBI has invited application from eligible Indian citizens for recruitment to the post of officers grade B. For more details, please visit their website as shown on screen. It's a fresher type job, no experience required for this job. Scale of pay will be 35,150 to 62,400 plus other allowances. Number of posts are 270. Age limit is 30 years. Qualification. This is not a technical job. Any graduate or professionally qualified person can apply for this job. Application fee will be 850 for general OBC EWS category and 100 for SC ST PWBD categories. Selection procedure. Selection for the above mentioned post will be done through online examination in phase 1 and phase 2 and through interview. How to apply? Candidates are required to apply online only through the Reserve Bank's website www.rbi.org.in on or before 15th February 2021. I will provide all website links in my description. Next is Engineer Training at MSME Technology Center, Siddhargunj. MSME Technology Center, Siddhargunj is being set up at Uttarakhand. The Technology Center is a Government of India society registered under Societies Registration Act and is functioning as autonomous body under Ministry of MSME. Applications are invited for the engineer training on contract basis for a period of 5 years initially, with the further extension based on review of performance till superannuation. For more details, please visit their website as shown on screen. It's a fresher type job, no experience required for this job. Scale of pay is 35,400 to 1,12,400 level 6 grade. Age limit is 32 years. Qualification essential degree in mechanical or professional engineering. Desirable PG diploma in tool designing, CAD CAM, CAE, mechatronics or tool engineering from recognized institution. Preferable experience in operating machine in tool production including CNC machines or mechatronics. How to apply? The interested candidates should send the biodata as per format available on the website as shown on screen, along with the self-attested copies of certificates to the address shown on screen on or before 15th February 2021. Next is Short Service Commission officers at Indian Navy. Applications are invited from unmarried men and women candidates for grant of short service commission in technical branch naval constructor. Entries in the Indian Navy of course commencing on June 2021 at the Indian Naval Academy, Edimala, Kerala. Selected candidates are inducted as sub-lieutenant. Final year students 2021 batch also eligible to apply. For more details, please visit their website as shown on screen. It's a fresher type job, no experience required for this job. Qualification is BE BTech Mechanical Engineering with 60% of marks. Pay and allowances is 56,100 to 1,77,500 plus MSP 15,500. Age limit is 20 to 25. Short service commission is granted initially for 10 years, extendable further 4 years subject to vacancy. Selection procedure. Shortlisting for SSB. Shortlisting application will be based on preference of marks obtained by the candidates in the qualifying degree. Approximately 800 candidates will be shortlisted for SSB. Shortlisted candidates will be intimated through mail and SMS. SSB procedure. SSB interview will be conducted at the Bhopal, Bangalore, Visakhapatnam, Kolkata in March 21 or thereafter. Details of SSB procedure are available on Indian Navy website as shown on screen. Medical. SSB recommended candidates are required to undergo medical examination as applicable to their entry. How to apply? Interested candidates are registered to fill application online on Indian Navy website as shown on screen from 10th February 2021 to 18th February 2021. Next is some last date of jobs already informed in previous videos. Section Engineer Mechanical at Maha Mumbai Metro Operation Corporation Limited, last date is 8th February 2021. Mechanical Engineer at Oil India Limited, last date is 12th February 2021. Project Engineer 1 Mechanical at Bell Hyderabad, last date is 18th February 2021. Junior Manager at Ferro Scrap Nigam Limited, last date is 20th February 2021. Engineer Mechanical at Khadarmugh Iron Ore Company, last date is 1st March 2021. I will provide last video's link on my description. That's all for government jobs. Next is private jobs. In private job, first one is management trainee at Hawkins Cookers Limited. Hawkins Cookers Limited is an Indian company which manufactures pressure cookers and cookware. The company is based in Mumbai and has 3 manufacturing plants at Thane, Hoshiarpur and Janpur. Hawkins Cookers Limited manufactures under brand names of Hawkins Futura, Condura, Heavy Base, Big Boy and Ventura. Hawkins is one of the largest pressure cooker manufacturer in India and exports its products to more than 40 countries. For more details, please visit their website as shown on screen. Experience required is fresher or 0 to 1 year. Salary during training 8 to 10 lakhs per annum and on confirmation 10 to 12 lakhs per annum. Desired candidates profile: technical bar engineering, diploma holders, engineering graduates and postgraduates needed in mechanical, electrical, civil, tool design and manufacture, product design, industrial engineering, material science or robotics. Candidates should be 21 to 28 years of age. Other details: Hawkins has well established management training program which leads to jobs in the management cadre in 18 months. Trainees who successfully complete the training are confirmed with an appropriate increase in salary and benefits. Role is management trainee. Industry type is pressure cooker manufacturing. Function area is production manufacturing. It's a full-time permanent job. Industry candidates can see the detailed advertisement in the website as shown on screen and apply for the post of management trainee technical bar engineering through online on their website as shown on screen. I will provide these website IDs in my description also. Next is graduate engineering trainee GET at Sonalika International Tractors Limited. Sonalika Group is an Indian multinational company headquartered at Hoshiarpur, Punjab, India and is active mainly in the automobile sector. Sonalika Tractor is the third largest manufacturer of tractors in India with the capacity to produce 3 lakh tractors per year, and it manufactures tractor ranging from 20 HP to 120 HP. Sonalika is a leading tractor company with a presence of more than 130 plus countries. For more details, please visit their website as shown on screen. Experience required for the post is fresher or 0 to 1 year. Salary is not disclosed by the employer. Desired candidate profile: full-time Bachelor of Engineering Technology in Mechanical or Automobile. Candidates must have good knowledge about diesel engine, must have good knowledge in any designing softwares like UGNX, AutoCAD, CREO, SolidWorks or similar. Roles and responsibilities: read and interpret blueprints, technical drawings, schematics or computer generated reports, design products using CAD and consult with engineering and manufacturing teammates to ensure designs are feasible, develop and build prototypes and run tests to measure their level of function, etc. Role is graduate engineering trainee. Industry type is automobile. It's engineering design and R&D functional area. It's a full-time permanent job. Interested candidates can send their latest CV to the careers@sonalika.com. Next is Engineer Product 1 at John Deere, Pune, Maharashtra. John Deere is a brand name of Deere and Company, an American corporation that manufactures agricultural, construction and forestry machinery, diesel engines, drive trains used in heavy equipments and lawn care equipment, etc. Deere and Company, founded in 1837, is a Fortune 500 company with a revenue of $26.64 billion. For more details, please visit their website as shown on screen. Experience required for the post is 1 to 2 year. Location is Pune, Maharashtra. Duties will be responsible for design and development of base engine components and subsystem from concept to production base. Will support on new engine development and continuous improvement and value improvement activities. CAD modeling and drawing creation apply GD&T. Required experience on design of base engine components from concept to production, knowledge on critical engine subsystem, knowledge of various manufacturing and assembly process. Role is engineer product 1. Industry type is tractor automobile. Function area is production. It's a full-time permanent job. Industry candidates can see the opportunities in the website as shown on screen and apply for the post of engineer product 1. 500800698 post through their website as shown on screen. Next is PPO Material Management Engineer at General Motors, Bangalore. GM is an American multinational corporation headquartered in Detroit that designs, manufactures, markets and distributes vehicle and vehicle parts and sell financial services. For more details, please visit their website as shown on screen. Experience required for the post is 1 to 3 years. Salary is not disclosed by the company. Job description: PPO Material Management Engineer works on multiple projects in a year and helps launch multiple vehicle programs that add to the top line of the organization. Key tasks and responsibilities are support successfully building the Mule and 4 properties, utilizing the standard global process, ordering of parts in the engineering material system with relevant details as per defined timeline, etc. Role is material management engineer. Industry type is automobile, auto components. Function area is engineering design R&D. It's a full-time permanent job. Industry candidates can apply through their website as shown on screen. Next is mechanical engineer SR1 at Lam Research Corporation, Bangalore. Lam Research Corporation is an American corporation that engages in the design, manufacture, marketing and service of semiconductor processing equipment used in the fabrication of integrated circuits, etc. For more details, please visit their website as shown on screen. Experience required for the post is 3 years. Requisition ID is 154261. Job responsibilities: participates in the conceptualization, modeling, analysis, development, documentation and test validation of hardware associated with new semiconductor equipment. May design part using metals, ceramics, cords, plastics and advanced coatings, platings. Work with the potential suppliers to ensure parts can be manufactured in accordance with the performance and cost objectives, etc. Role is mechanical engineer SR1. Industry type is R&D. It's a full-time permanent job. Industry candidates can see the detailed advertisement and can apply online through their website as shown on screen. Next is engineer TSPQ at Vestas, Chennai. Vestas is a wind system is a Danish manufacturer, seller, installer and service of wind turbine that was founded in 1945. Vestas design, manufacture, install and service wind turbine across the globe and with more than 113 gigawatt of wind turbine in 81 countries and have installed more wind power than anyone else and employs more than 25,000 people globally. For more details, please visit their website as shown on screen. Experience required for the post is 3 to 5 years. ID is 13585. Salary is not disclosed by the company. Competencies: read, understand and communicate engineering drawings and technical specifications. Process and product expertise, production, documentation and coordinating quality improvements, queue system and awareness, etc. Role is engineering TSPQ. Industry type is wind turbine. Function area is production, manufacturing. Is a full-time permanent job. Industry candidates can apply through their website as shown on screen. That's all for private jobs. Next is apprenticeship training. In apprenticeship training, first one is graduate apprentice trainee at a high explosive factory, Pune. Indian Ordnance Factories is a government agency under the control of Department of Defence Production, Ministry of Defence, Government of India. It is engaged in research, development, production, testing, marketing and logistics of product range in the areas of air, land and sea systems. High Explosives Factory Khatki is under Ministry of Defence, Government of India. High Explosive Factory Khatki, Pune is a premier factory in the family of 41 ordnance factories. For more details, please visit their website as shown on screen. Candidates who have passed in the year of 2018, 19, 2020 are only eligible to apply. Age limit is 18 to 25. Stipend offered are 9,000. Selection procedure: applied and eligible candidates will call for an interview and they will shortlist according to the interview performance. Then shortlisted candidates should go through the police verification process. After police verification, medical tests will be carried out. How to apply? Industry eligible candidates must register themselves in the NATS portal of MHRD by using the link as shown on the screen. Then candidates should apply for the establishment High Explosive Factory on or before 15th February 2021. Next is graduate apprentice trainee at Hindustan Aeronautics Limited, Nasik. HAL is an Indian state-owned aerospace and defense company. Is governed under the management of Indian Ministry of Defense. The government-owned corporation is primarily involved in the operations of the aerospace and is currently involved in the design, fabrication and assembly of aircraft, jet engine, helicopters and their spare parts. It has several facilities spread across India. HAL Nasik division invited application for graduate apprentice. For more details, please visit their website as shown on screen. Candidates who have passed in the year of 2018, 19, 2020 are only eligible to apply. Stipend offered are 9,000. Number of posts are 30 for mechanical itself. How to apply? Detailed advertisement available at the website as shown on screen. Interested eligible candidates must register themselves in the NATS portal of MHRD by using the link as shown on screen. Then candidates should apply for the establishment Hindustan Aeronautics Limited of State of Maharashtra on or before 25th February 2021. That's all for this week's employment news video. For the next employment news video, please subscribe our channel. Thank you.